It's time to stop cutting corners, trying to save money at the cost of our safety.
Emotions ran high in Hartford this morning. Healthcare workers called on the state to raise wages and to address staffing shortages.
They say if conditions don't change, they'll go on strike. Fox 61's Emma Wolforst was there. She has more from the state capitol.
Yeah, the main message from these workers and state lawmakers, enough is enough.
When we fight,
nurses, caregivers, housekeepers, and other healthcare staff filled the Hall of Flags at the state capitol Tuesday. They're asking the state to address their expired contracts and recent federal funding cuts to public health programs.
I wanted to be a nurse since I was a little girl. I always wanted to help people, and 14 years later, it hasn't gotten better, it's gotten worse.
Natasha Forrester is a charge nurse in Meriden.
I've bought soap for my residents, I've bought heating pads for my residents. Just being there as an aide, working as a nurse with anywhere from 34 to about 70 patients.
And she's far from the only one. Other healthcare workers like Norwich CNA Kellyanne Efstathiou say they can't afford to support their families and face unsafe working conditions.
Our patients can't thrive without us. It's time for nursing homes, and the state to step up.
Healthcare workers have been asking the governor and state lawmakers for more money the past few legislative sessions, but they now say with the added burden of federal funding cuts from the Trump administration, they've reached a breaking point.
Do I pay electric? Do I, what bills do I have to pay? And which ones do I have to cut or have to wait? I was like, I thought when I became a nurse that I would never really have to worry about that, and now I really do.
In this budget year, workers are asking the state for $550 million to raise their salaries to $30 an hour. They're also asking the state legislature to protect Medicaid funding and loosen the state's fiscal guardrails, to use some of the rainy day fund to support public health programs and ensure nursing and group homes stay open.
we are here because budgets are moral documents. Budgets are statements on what we prioritize.
And SEIU 1199 president says about 6,500 nursing home workers and a few thousand other healthcare workers will be in striking position in just 2 weeks. Reporting at the state capitol, Emma Wolforst, Fox 61.